Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Verify your Android version and whether the VPN was installed by a carrier or work profile, because that changes permissions. Open Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections depending on your phone. Next, tap VPN to see active profiles. If a VPN is managed by Device Admin or a work app, make sure you have the admin credentials or IT permission before disabling it. Otherwise, you'll hit blocks when trying to remove the icon or disconnect the service. Once you've located the active VPN profile, disconnect it or toggle the app off. That removes the runtime connection and often the icon. If the icon persists, go to Settings Right Arrow App's Right Arrow VPN app and disable permissions like Display over other apps or notifications for that app. Those permissions can pin icons. If needed, clear the app's cache and data to reset status, and consider uninstalling the app if you no longer need it to prevent the icon from returning. After making the changes, reboot the device to force the system UI to refresh. Many stuck icons disappear after a restart. Then inspect Settings Right Arrow Display Right Arrow Status Bar or System UI Tuner on some phones to hide VPN indicators if available. If you're on a managed device or work profile and the icon remains, you'll need the admin to remove the managed VPN or revoke the policy. Contact IT. If nothing works, reinstalling system, UI updates, or factory resetting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.